Hello everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we expose fake products, misleading ads, and online scams so you don't waste your hard-earned money. Today's video is about Luxeveria Ageless Serum. It claims to smooth wrinkles, boost firmness, deeply hydrate skin, and restore a youthful glow. But the real question is, does it actually work, or is it just another overpriced skincare hype? Let's find out. According to its website, Luxeveria Ageless Serum promises visible wrinkle reduction, firmer and tighter skin, deep hydration, brighter, youthful-looking complexion. They also mention powerful anti-aging ingredients and quick results without expensive treatments. Sounds impressive, but claims alone don't prove anything. Here's where things get interesting. The product talks about anti-aging ingredients, but exact ingredient concentrations are not clearly disclosed. That's already a red flag. Many legit anti-aging serums openly list active components like retinol, peptides, or hyaluronic acid with transparency. Luxeveria mostly uses marketing terms rather than detailed clinical information. No independent clinical trials. No dermatologist endorsements. No verified before and after proof. That makes it difficult to trust the bold promises. Another concern is the way Luxeveria is marketed. The website uses urgency tactics like limited stock, special discount ending today, and emotional language targeting aging fears. Also, many online reviews appear generic, overly positive, and repetitive, which is common in paid or fabricated testimonials. A genuine skincare brand usually has a mix of positive and negative feedback, not perfection. Let's be honest. No topical serum can erase deep wrinkles or reverse aging in days. At best, Luxeveria may provide temporary hydration and smoother-looking skin, which many basic moisturizers already do at a much lower price. If you're expecting dramatic anti-aging results, this product is unlikely to deliver. So, is Luxeveria Ageless Serum worth buying? In our opinion, not really. There's no solid scientific backing, limited transparency, and aggressive marketing tactics raise serious doubts. If you want real anti-aging results, consult a dermatologist and invest in proven skincare, not hype-driven products. If this review helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and comment below if you want us to review another product. Stay alert, stay informed, and don't get scammed online. Thank you.